Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to day, what are we on? 82. I didn't get out this morning. I had a lie-in, treating myself to a lie-in. So I've come out this afternoon. It's absolutely glorious. It's boiling hot. You can see I've only got my t-shirt on today. And today I've got my parents with me because we've created a bubble like we're allowed to do now. So they've come round for the tea, and I thought I'd show them round the woods and the fields where I do all my videos, because they are regular watchers, aren't you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Good. Hope you subscribe and like and all that. Here's another example, kind of thing we're up against. That was nicely placed on a tree by somebody. Spent a bit of time building that, and it's just been ripped off the tree. Now this has just appeared from nowhere. Albeit I've not been down this little path for a couple of days, but that just seems to have sprung out of nowhere, that has. I'll have to check up on that when we get back. It's some kind of bracket fungi. Hope you've been enjoying the photos I've been taking with the Nikon Coolpix P510. I'm still trying to wrap my head around it, but I've been getting some very good feedback from you guys out there, giving me tips on different settings to use. So I'll be trying those in the up and coming videos, trying to improve on the quality of the photo. But don't hold your breath. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to day 83 of lockdown, part 2 of this episode. I don't know about you, but we had a lot of thunder and lightning last night. Just good to watch. About 10:30, something like that. This morning, nice morning. It's pleasant, bit of a breeze, bit of dew on the ground, but all in all, it's a nice morning. It was great to see that fungi, that bracket fungi last night. That just seems to have sprung from nowhere, that has. I've just been and checked on it again, and yeah, it's a really nice specimen, that. I need to check up on the name of that one though. And then minutes later I found another load of fungi at the base of a tree trunk. Loads of it, but it was really tucked away in some brambles, so I couldn't get that close to it. Last night, shortly after seeing the fungi, the bracket fungi on the tree, we went into Woodpecker wood, and we found some more fungi on the base of one of the fallen trees. So yeah, there seems to be a lot of that coming out at the moment. So that's something I'm going to have to start paying more attention to. Right, well, we're in the fields now, in the meadows. So we're going to have a wander and see what we can find. Maybe more fungi. Can hear the magpies up in the trees there. And bird song. Heard a woodpecker this morning as well, tapping away on the tree. So I don't know whether that's just hunting for food or making another nest for another brood. Who knows? Right, let's carry on. You've no doubt all seen this before, and you may refer to it as cuckoo spit. But do you actually know what's inside there? Let's have a look. Inside there you'll find a little grub. And that will turn into, do you know the answer? If you do, leave a comment below. It's not a cuckoo, I'll tell you that much. Oh, you can see it there, just moving. Let's put it back. Here's some of the blackberries I told you about. Full flower. There's loads of it over there. Now then, here's one we haven't seen before. Could that be deadly nightshade? Buzzard's nest. I've just seen it land in the tree. Where are you? Where's it gone? There's definitely movement inside the nest. Just seen something moving. There you go. Very difficult to see. My arms are feeling like lead. They're going to start shaking. So we've got some new points of interest now. We've got the buzzard nest to keep an eye on, and there's also the various species of fungi that we found, so we can keep an eye on those, and hopefully for some new ones that may be appearing. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button up here or the one down below. Make sure you leave a comment. And don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next episode. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.